Looking to freshen up your look this new year? Maybe Eyelid Rejuvenation is for you. Today, we have a one-stop shop for all your cosmetic needs.
That's right. We have Dr. Roshni Ranjit Reeves, or Dr. Rosh, joining us now from Oculofacial Surgery and Cosmetic Laser Institute with more. So welcome to the show, Dr. Rosh. How are you?
Thank you so much. So excited to be here.
We're excited you're joining us. So first, can you tell us about what you do?
Sure. So I am a double board certified oculofacial surgeon. I perform laser-assisted eyelid surgery, reconstruction, injectables, and also insurance-based procedures.
What makes what you do different than some of the other things and doctors we see out there?
Yeah, so I am a double board certified surgeon in ophthalmology and occupational surgery, and I perform laser-assisted eyelid surgery. And so it's essentially bloodless surgery, essentially painless. So I'm really able to perform a lot of these surgeries in the office. It's very minimal downtime. The recovery is very quick. Patients can go back to everyday lives and enjoy their new look.
That's so important to so many people returning to that normal life very quickly. So for those who are unfamiliar, what is eyelid rejuvenation?
Yeah, so it's a surgical approach to eyelid surgery, which includes potential brow lift, removing the excess skin off the eyelids, raising up the eyelids, and also doing some laser skin resurfacing to the kind of crepey, delicate periocular skin.
Yeah. So who's a good candidate for this type of procedure?
So, I'm seeing patients who are coming in younger and younger to just get a consult, kind of talk about their options. We're a full service organization, so we're able to provide medical grade skincare, hydrofacials, injectables, and also laser assisted eyelid surgery. So kind of multifaceted approach to anti-aging.
Okay.
And what's unique about laser eyelid surgery, or laser assisted eyelid surgery, is I use a CO2 laser or my magic wand to make the incision. And I'm able to unpack the bags.
Okay.
I'm able to really rejuvenate patients' eyes and give them a whole new look.
So we're looking at some before and after pictures, which I think really show what people are dealing with. This one in particular, can you talk about some of the complaints that you get from clients prior to having the surgery and why they want to get it done?
Sure. I get a lot of patients coming in saying their eyes just feel tired, feel heavy. After looking at the computer all day long, they really just feel like they have a headache, or they're constantly using their eyebrows to kind of lift their lids off their eyes. It's a very common complaint. And to be honest, I have a lot of patients come in and just say they're tired of people telling them they look tired. Right. So, depending on what their complaint is, what the issue is, we can discuss several options. Sometimes these procedures can be covered through their insurance. So it's important to come in from the consult so we can see what we can do to help them out.
Because sometimes when you have those heavy eyelids, it can affect your vision.
Yes,
right?
yes, that can definitely happen. And there's a few procedures that you can do to lift up the eyelid. And so we'll discuss all of those in the consult. Sometimes it's just removing the skin, sometimes it's fixing the muscle, sometimes it's both. And then the lower eyelid surgery, patients come in for, they want to unpack the bags.
Yeah.
And we just love doing that. It's an immediate result.
Okay, all right. Well, what is unique about the surgery that you perform? Is it because of the laser?
Yes, there's essentially, it's essentially bloodless surgery. So lower eyelid surgery, there's no sutures and there's no scar. And all the incisions are made behind the eyelid. And so you're able to have a permanent approach to anti-aging. Icing on the cake is laser skin resurfacing to help tighten up the skin. And then upper eyelid surgery, very, very minimal bruising and swelling. So my patients look pretty good at about a week.
Okay, perfect. Now I understand you have multiple locations, yes?
Yes. So our flagship is in Lutz. It's a mile west of the outlets. And then our second location is in South Tampa. We're able to serve patients in St. Pete, Largo, Clearwater, and we opened that office because of popular demand. Patients wanted me to come out there and come to them. So that's exactly what we did.
So the first step is if you think you might be a candidate to come in and see you.
Yes, come in and see me for the consult. We can talk about all different things, whether it's skincare, hydrofacials, laser skin resurfacing, all the way to surgery. You may not be ready to jump into surgery yet, so maybe we can discuss some other things. But if you are interested in surgery, I'm your girl, and I'm hoping to serve the greater Tampa Bay area in addition to my Lutz location.
Perfect. Okay, so we mentioned some of the complaints that patients have prior to surgery. What do you hear as far as success stories after afterwards.
Oh my gosh, that's the best feeling. You walk in the room
Yeah.
and they're smiling and they're so happy, or they come with their spouse or significant other and say, oh my God, they just love it.
Yeah.
That's always really nice to hear. But you know, I love patients saying it just has taken years off my face and I wish I got this sooner. And the recovery time was very minimal.
Yeah.
You know, patients can go back to work pretty quickly. They can go drive in about 2 or 3 days. They can go back to their computer stuff, and that's really important. I mean, so many things that we do are on the computer, so they don't have to take that much time off.
Exactly. Getting right back to a better quality of life,
Yes.
it sounds like.
Yeah.
Dr. Rosh, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much.
Hey, to learn more and to make an appointment, you can call the number on your screen right now, 813-303-0123, or you can go to drrosh.com.